A peaceful home environment makes a significant difference in daily comfort. Whether you're relaxing after a long day, working remotely, or spending time with family, unwanted outside noise can quickly disrupt your routine. Traffic sounds, neighborhood activity, and general outdoor noise often enter through weak points in a home's exterior. One of the most overlooked entry points for sound is the door. For homeowners in Eagle, upgrading to replacement doors can significantly improve noise control and create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Why older doors allow noise inside over time? Doors can warp, shift, or develop small gaps around the frame. Worn weather stripping and aging materials reduce the door's ability to seal tightly. In Eagle homes, these gaps allow not only air but also sound waves to travel indoors. Even minor openings can make a noticeable difference in how much outdoor noise you hear inside your living space. The role of solid construction. Modern replacement doors are built with improved materials designed for durability and performance. For homeowners in Eagle, solid core or insulated doors provide greater density than older, hollow designs. This added thickness helps block sound transmission and reduce outside noise levels. Improved sealing around the frame. Noise often enters through the spaces surrounding the door rather than the door panel itself. Replacement doors are installed with tight-fitting seals and upgraded weather stripping. In Eagle residences, this improved sealing minimizes gaps that allow sound to seep into entryways and nearby rooms. Better threshold and bottom seals. The area beneath the door is a common source of both drafts and noise. Properly installed replacement doors in Eagle homes include well-aligned thresholds and bottom seals. These components help prevent sound from slipping underneath the door and into your home. Reducing echoes and vibrations. Older doors can sometimes rattle or vibrate when exposed to outside noise, amplifying the sound inside. Replacement doors are installed securely within reinforced frames, reducing vibration and minimizing echo effects. Eagle homeowners often notice a calmer indoor atmosphere immediately after upgrading. Supporting a more comfortable living space. Noise control contributes directly to overall comfort. A quieter home feels more restful and inviting. In Eagle neighborhoods, replacement doors help create a peaceful indoor setting where families can relax, focus, and enjoy daily life without constant outside distractions. Ideal for work from home environments. Many homeowners now use parts of their home as office space. Outside noise can interfere with concentration and productivity. Upgrading to replacement doors helps Eagle residents create quieter home offices. Reduced noise levels support better focus and clearer communication during calls or meetings. Enhancing privacy. Noise control works both ways. Just as replacement doors block outside sounds, they also help contain indoor noise. Eagle homeowners benefit from increased privacy. Known conversations and household sounds are less likely to carry outside. Long-term performance and durability. Modern replacement doors are designed to maintain their structure and sealing performance over time. In Eagle homes, this means continued noise reduction benefits long after installation. Durable materials resist shifting and wear, preserving a tight seal. A smart upgrade for peace and quiet. Noise may seem like an unavoidable part of daily life, but your home should provide a refuge from it. For homeowners in Eagle, replacement doors offer an effective solution for improving noise control. With solid construction, improved sealing, and professional installation, new doors help block unwanted sound and create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Investing in replacement doors means investing in greater peace of mind and a more relaxing home atmosphere.